Hey guys, Arnold here for Healthy at 60 Plus. In today's news update, I want to talk about, so you have erectile dysfunction, now what? If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. It's certainly true that ED is an emotionally bruising condition, and not only for the man, but also for his partner. The man questions his manhood, while his partner wonders if he's cheating or if she's not attractive anymore. Many times the relationship ends up being very strained or ending. The best way to work through this situation is to understand that ED is a medical issue. It has absolutely nothing to do with being a man or being attractive. And the best thing for a couple to do is to talk about the ED problem, to work as a team to resolve it. And the worst thing a couple can do is to try and ignore the problem. Not only will the problem get worse, but the relationship will become more strained. The only positive answer is to seek help. I talk with men every day about health issues centered around erectile dysfunction. And one of the first questions I ask is, have you seen your doctor about your ED? And what did they say? For those men that I have talked to their doctor, they generally report getting the same response. And that response is, here's a prescription for Viagra or Cialis. That's it, generally nothing more. That advice is bad enough because it does not look at the underlying causes of the ED. But I recently talked with a guy who told me the response he got from his doctor. And to say the least, I was shocked. His doctor told him that it was all in his head. I mean, what a moron. Where has this doctor been for the last 20 or 30 years? Let me say that there are no miracle cures for ED. If you've looked around online, then you've seen any number of products that tell you that you'll be a new man overnight. Unfortunately, that's just not true. What is true is that healing the underlying causes of ED is a process that takes time. It has taken many years to produce the problem, and it's going to take some time to reverse it. But luckily, not as long. Erectile dysfunction at its core is a blood flow problem. Blood flows into the penis and an erection happens. Anything that lowers this blood flow hurts or stops an erection. Now, most of this damage occurs because of poor lifestyle choices. You know, the usual: diet, exercise, weight management, alcohol consumption, quitting smoking, inflammation. However, changing lifestyle choices can be very hard to do. I mean, just look at how many New Year's resolutions people are able to keep. That's why I choose to add supplements to the mix, because of how easy they are to implement, and how much benefit they add to lifestyle changes. If you'd like to see the supplement I use and recommend, just click the link below this video to see my ED repair page. And if you have any questions about that page or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. To view other videos about this same topic, just click on either of the two video links above. Again, thanks for stopping by, and here's to your good health.